Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to delete incognito history in Google Chrome. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Right, so quite a lot of number of people does not really know how to clear or delete their browse history in Google Chrome Incognito Mode. Now, when you are in Incognito Mode, that does not mean that your browse history cannot be found. And for you to permanently delete your browse history in Google Chrome Incognito, what you need to do is to simply, when you are done with whatever you want to do on Incognito Mode, simply minimize your browser, just like so. Then after minimize your browser, then on your window keyboard, press Window plus Hub, and this dialog box here is going to pop up. Then what you need to do is to simply type in CMD and hit on OK. Now this is going to pop up right here. So what you need to do right here is to come to this particular section right here. And then what you want to do is to simply type in IP config, then slash flush DNS. Then press enter key on your keyboard. You should have something like this. Successful flush DNS resuffer cache. It's as simple as that. So with that, you have fully deleted permanently your Chrome Incognito browse history on your Windows PC. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.